Remove 2 bolts. Lift up to remove wipers. Use plastic door trim remover to pry. Pull up by hands. Carefully remove from the middle rubber holder. Don't force if you are not able to pull up the trim. Remove the clips from the trim. Pry the plastic long legs to remove. Then you can remove the clip easily. You still can buy clips from eBay. Total 10 clips. Use wire wheel to clean as much as you can. Careful not to bend the trim. Don't spin the wheel on here to cause damage.
Later.
Use sandpaper to sand. Then use the wire wheel to remove the rest.
A few moments later.
Clean the trim with degreaser or alcohol. This is soft rubber. Use something flexible to paint. Put into warm water for 5 minutes. Give a very good shake. Do thin layers. 10 minutes between every layers. I sprayed the whole can for this trim. Spray from one side all the way to the end of other side. Don't stop at the middle. Don't do this. This is the reason why not to stop in the middle. Only do 3 layers for wipers.
Seven hours later.
Apply high heat clear coat after they fully dry. It gives more protection and makes the surface not sticky. Also create like the wrinkle paint. Keep away at least 60 centimeters to spray 1 layer coat only. And keep moving fast. Do the same to the wipers. Do not spin the wire wheel on the edges.
The next step.
Plasti dip is flexible. Clear coat makes it not sticky and just like the wrinkle paint. Install from the middle. Use plastic tools to avoid scratches. Move the clips to match the holes. Install the blades to avoid breaking the windscreen. Use masking tape to avoid scratches. Make sure it is not hitting the side, or readjust the angle of the wipers. Double check it is tightened.
I don't know what really happens at the end of the road. I don't know what really happens at the end of the road. When my trip is done, I am finished. I think I'm up for the challenge. So I got me some I got a car and a time. I got my baggage, got it.
Done. Prelude.